movie. So yeah, have you guys ever been in love with someone that you truly believe that they're the one and you're their soulmate? Well, I have been in one. Based on that relationship, I wrote a song. So this original song, written and composed by me with some little samples, of course, it's called Owner of My Soul. And I don't have any instruments right now, so I'm just going to do an a cappella version. I hope it's not going to be boring. Your name's tattooed in my heart, I can hear you in my head. You know you're the only one when I hear begin again. You are someone and something I lost in, without you my heart's shaking and breaking. Strangers everywhere and love's a mystery that's untold. May I see your hands, cause I know there's something keeping us close. Your lips are sweet like candy, baby. Without you I'm shaking and breaking. And now that you are with me, oh, I felt nothing but destiny. And I might jump and fall into my knees. From tonight, I won't cry. Through every 12-step hole, every smile, till we die, you'll be the owner of my soul. The questions kept me up at midnight, ruminating myself. In your embrace I found my place, is all I ever want. No more running, no more chasing trips, cause you're the wish I was meant to bring. Oh, when I saw your eyes, I know that I'm the first thing on your mind. And I just can't see my life without you. From tonight, I won't cry. Through every 12-step hole, every smile, till we die, you'll be the owner of my soul. Someday you'll be by here with me, in this place we've been always dreaming of all the time. Satisfactory, cause you enter into my soul. From tonight, we will shine. No fears, no doubts, don't go. Standing right, and I smile. You are